Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing amazing. So I'm here today with the Shop With Me and a B&M haul. So I was just browsing in B&M and seeing what they had in for spring this year and ended up coming out with this bag absolutely filled. So I'll get into showing you everything that I picked up from B&M this time, but first let me show you all of the really cute bits they had in this year for spring. Okay, so the first item I'll start with is this daisy print blanket. Of course, it's not very big. It's only 120 by 150 centimeters. But I figured this is something I'll use as a throw rather than a blanket. And this is what it looks like on the back. So around Christmas, I picked up their gingerbread throw, which is the same size, and I think it's actually £5 as well. I just used it as like an additional throw, and because it is quite small, it's easy to store off season. Okay, the next item I got is this flower-shaped candle. This is in the scent Jasmine and Silk, and it smells amazing. But also, as much as I love the scent, I also really love the pot that it's in. Once the candle is finished, I'm going to use it as a tea light holder as well. So I really love it when I can repurpose the candle packaging. Okay, the next item is in a similar shape to the candle pot. I got this little dish, again in a similar green. I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do with this dish just yet. I may use it as like, again, another candle holder or even something to put your jewelry on. I mean, the possibilities are endless. So yes, I thought this was really cute. Again, sticking to the same color and the same kind of theme, I got these tea towels, a 2-pack. Really love this first print. Checkered green with a bunch of different flowers, and then, oh wait. Oh, it's 4 tea towels. Okay, that's really good. I thought it was only 2. So 2 of each pattern. So 2 of this pattern and then 2 of this plain green as well. And I love when tea towels are this texture because they are really absorbent. Okay, the next item I got is this 2-pack of placemats. So since autumn past year, I've started switching out my placemats on my coffee table. So I got a pumpkin one for autumn. I didn't get a Christmas tree one for Christmas because I didn't see one that I liked, but I am still on the hunt. Maybe this year I'll find one. And I thought it's really cute that these ones are kind of like flower shapes. So of course, I'll be putting one of these on my coffee table. Again, with a similar theme, flowers and green. I got this candle. Kind of the same green, teal green as the rest of the decor pieces, and I think I could probably pair it with this little dish. And honestly, looking at all of these items, I'm really looking forward to spring. I'm someone who's definitely learned to love winter over the years, but I'm definitely over it. I'm so ready for the weather to start warming up now. So putting some of these things out around the place should hopefully allow me to see that spring is on its way. I then got another candle, again a similar colour scheme to the rest of the decor, and it's in my favourite scent, Fresh Linen. Oh, I just love the smell of this stuff. I then got this hanging basket for the shower, so I thought this would come in handy. And I thought it was quite reasonable for £4. Okay, this next item is completely random, and I remember seeing this on, I think it may have been TikTok or some social media platform. People were claiming that you could use these hair razors instead of shaving. And I debated on getting one of these a while ago and then didn't end up getting round to actually picking one up, but then saw it in B&M and thought, oh my gosh, I can give it a try. So let's open it up. So this is what it looks like. The back is chrome. And then, oh, it's quite a weird texture. It feels really strange. It's difficult to explain what it feels like. So supposedly you're supposed to rub it against your skin and it just removes the hair from that surface, and it's supposed to be completely pain-free and a really good alternative to shaving. So I will give this a go. Maybe I'll try it on my legs and see how I get on, and I will let you guys know how it works out. So if you guys are interested in hearing how this works, drop a comment below and I'll make sure that when I do use it, I'll respond to your comment and let you know whether it's something that's worth purchasing. I then got a 2-pack of oval cotton pads. These are a staple. So I haven't quite decided on whether I'm going to film my decorating for spring this year or not. But if I did, this is something that I might put on my hot chocolate coffee station. So I usually put out some seasonal treats and I thought these could be a good addition to that. So this is Betsy Bunny. And then these ones are Charlie Chicks. And they're just vegan gummy sweets. And then last but not least, I got 2 bottles of ACV. These are an absolute staple. I've said many times we use ACV for everything, for your skin, for your hair, washing the pesticides from our fruits and veg. So yeah, we use this stuff a lot and we go through it really quick. And I did want to throw in one last item that I picked up from As The Living. They had this cup on sale for 75p and it says "True love never dies." Now, I'm a huge fan of The Nightmare Before Christmas. When I saw all this for 75 pence, I couldn't really say no, could I? So the inside is pink and then it has the same thing on both sides. So that's everything that I picked up this time from B&M. Really hope you enjoyed this haul. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you did. And if you haven't done already, guys, please hit that subscribe button. And of course, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.